Hi, this is Frank the Pest Geek. We're here in Homestead in brand new pre-construction homes, and we're going to show you how I'm getting call after call in this area from new homeowners that just bought and said, I have roaches, I have ants, I even have rodents in the house. And how the heck are rodents getting in to a brand new house? I'm going to show you. Check this out. Here is where your air conditioning is going to go. When this is done, 99 out of 100 is going to be left open, and the rat's going to climb up this tube right up that wall in between your two floors and get inside your home. And what happens is there is plenty of rats, rodents, usually roof rat, all over this property because there is no rodent control being done. Plus you have a lot of these openings sometimes that aren't sealed right, especially with the spigots. And a rat needs only a ½ inch opening, the size of my thumb, to get through there. So if you've got new construction and that isn't sealed, and you can see, now here is the other problem. The attics aren't sealed. There's no attics here that are sealed. They have a firewall between the units, but if a rat goes up this unit, it's gonna go across the attic and come out into another unit, and you will hear them. Usually it'll sound like cats doing laps in your roof. So understand that when you move in, you need to get that sealed with a excluder product that the rodents can't eat through it, because if they can eat, if you put foam only, they can eat through foam.